How to watch Naruto Shippuden in English. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can watch Naruto Shippuden in English. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your browser and here we will go through one of the popular anime website, that is 9anime. So search for 9anime in your search bar. Then head towards the first link on your interface where you can watch anime online with dub and sub version for free. So click on it. So once you're here, now click on the search bar right here, and in the search bar type in Naruto Shippuden. So here is the Naruto Shippuden. You can click and open it up. Then click on watch now. Scroll down a bit and there you have both sub and dub version. So in this way you can watch all the episodes of Naruto Shippuden in English. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.